Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Yesterday there was a bank holiday, but today we had amazing volatility and most of my traders bank amazing profit, 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into this system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were short from last week. But if you haven't seen my last week analysis review, video link is also given in the video description. So we were short, as explained to my trader. Price broken last week, and we're expecting another pullback. So we are short here. Even today at the New York session, we have this breakout and we keep taking a pullbacks, and profit target was around 200 EMA, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit in intraday in order to squeeze amazing profit on the EURUSD. And if you look at on the intraday system, beginning of this week, as you can see here, first trade yesterday we had a pullback short trade, bank beautiful pips. Even today, this morning, I explained to my trader, price developed downside channel pattern. Our bias is short in 4 hours, as explained, price action in 4 hours. So the first priority would be the pullback short at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback and also broken this support trend line, beautiful pips. Even in the New York session, as you can see here, we price nicely broken this one and expecting another pullback at this level. We have another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to the target profit, which is the red fib channel around 200 EMA, and price sort of developing a double bottom, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had an amazing trade on EURUSD, and we also had a good trade on pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, as you can see, even in the EURUSD, and we had a beautiful short, and even now you can see here price broken the previous low. After the breakout, price retest, that's another give us a confirmation. So beginning of the week, we can see here we were short here on pound dollar, beautiful, and we keep taking a pullback short trade here. Even today, once we see the price develop this bearish engulfing candle, we have taken and we enjoy all the short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and refine the entries and the exit. As you can see here, beginning of the week from yesterday, we were short, breakout short here, then again pullback short trade here. That's beautiful, another pullback. Even today, we can see here, this was the beautiful breakout pullback, and that's what I explained to my trader. We are looking this breakout trade here, this one. As you can see here, price nicely broken and retest, and beautiful, and afterwards we announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary just in order to make sure the trader can maximize the profit. Even in the New York session, I explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, if the price does not break any recent high, we should be thinking only short trade here. So you can see another beautiful short trade here and another few more pips. So we had amazing trade on pound dollar and the EURUSD. Dollar CAD, we had some sort of like consolidation, but we managed few PPs at the New York session. If you look at the 4 hour, we had this last week we were long here, and this week at the beginning yesterday we were short, bank beautiful pips. Once the price, as you can see here, price broken and develop a false breakout, and that's explained to my trader, if the price gonna stay above this level, so we should be thinking only long trade here. Even now you can see here price develop, you can see here low, high, low is develop, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Let me share with you guys how I analyzed yesterday and today, bank few PPs on dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD from yesterday, as you can see here, this was the breakout. As you can see here, this one here, as soon as the price broke on this level, we have taken the short trade here, target hit, bank few PPs. After the breakout, as always, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level, which price nicely developed. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for the price to develop another pattern. As you can see here, price developed another pattern this morning. We have this breakout trade here, long trade here, and afterwards explain to my trader, just wait for the New York session. As you can see here, we have another breakout as explained. The price respected this previous low, and you can see here the body of this candle was stronger than the previous body and is here. You can see the momentum is bullish and price nicely broken after the breakout. As always, price develop another pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, how we analyze market in 4 hour and the refine entries and exit in intraday and banking pips every day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And most important part of it, if you are having a challenging in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with a live audio commentary, with a live intraday analysis. And once you produce good result and consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I help and coach and train my trader with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.